Hi friends, my name is Akash and welcome back to Python programming. This video is about the different types of constructs in Python. First things first, what do you mean by flow of control? The order in which statements get executed in a program is termed as the flow of control. The flow of control is manipulated by different constructs offered by a programming language. So, how many constructs are offered by the Python programming language? We have three constructs, namely sequence, selection, and iteration. We are going to study about them in this video. So the first one is the sequence construct. The sequence construct means that the statements are being executed sequentially. This represents the default flow of execution of the statements. Every Python program begins with the first statement of the program. Each statement in turn is executed. When the final statement of the program is executed, the program is done. Sequence refers to the normal flow of control in a program and is the simplest one. So as you can see here, there are three statements which are being executed in a sequence. So this is the default flow of control in a Python program. So let's move on to the next one, which is the selection construct. So the next construct that we are going to talk about here is the selection construct. In this construct there is a condition, and based upon the output of that condition, if it is true or false, one or another course of action is followed. So here in this diagram you can see that this is the condition. If it evaluates to true, then this course of action will be followed, and if this condition evaluates to false, then this course of action will be followed. So for example, in real life scenarios, we are required to take decisions and act accordingly. So for example, there could be a case where a person has decided that based upon the marks he or she is getting in class 10th, he or she will take a stream for future. So he or she might have decided that if he gets 90% or above, he will choose science, and in case he is not able to obtain those marks, then he will take commerce. So this is the case of selection construct. Python offers the if statement to implement the selection construct. So now we move on to the next construct, which is the iteration. In iteration, the iteration construct means repetition of some set of statements depending upon a condition test. Till the time a condition is true or false depending upon the loop, a set of statements are repeated again and again. As soon as the condition becomes false or true, the repetition stops. The iteration construct is also known as the looping construct. So in this figure you can see this is the condition, which is the test condition. If it results in true, then statements 1 and 2 will be executed, and then again the condition will be checked, and if it again evaluates to true, these set of statements will again be executed, and this goes on and on until the condition is false, where the iteration stops and the loop is exited. So the condition is known as the test condition, and these two statements, the statement 1 and statement 2, are known as the body of the loop. For example, in real life scenario, we can think of our mother who is cooking chapatis. So during the process, she would be required to roll up chapatis on the tawa, and then she would turn it 2 to 3 times, and once done she would take it off. So this is the process to be followed for only one chapati. So for making multiple chapatis, the same process will have to be followed multiple times, and when she would be done with cooking all the chapatis, then she would stop. So this is an example of iteration construct, and this is implemented through the for loop in Python. So I hope that you were able to learn about the constructs in this video, and the next video would contain much more about the statements which are provided by Python for implementation of these constructs. The iteration construct is implemented through for and while loop. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next one.